the Wig Studio 1 YouTube channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to discuss a brand new style by Jon Renau. This is Aurora in 12 FS8. Remember, you can find this right here at Wig Studio 1. All you have to do is drop below the video, expand the description box. There'll be a direct product link there. If you click on that link, it'll take you directly to the site where you can see all the colors, more detail, and pricing. We invite you to shop right here at Wig Studio 1. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Aurora is a beautiful feminine mid-length style with soft barrel curl, a lovely curtain bang, and it is completely hand-tied. Let's get into these specs real quick. This front bang is about 8 inches, and you notice that it does just kind of divide right down the middle and expand right back into the style as if it were curled back. This helps keep it out of the face, and it seems very manageable. And overall, I think the specs said it was around 13 inches, 12 or 13. To me, it measures right around 14 inches. It has beautiful bouncy barrel curl. And it weighs just around 5 ounces. So let's take a look at this cap real quick. This is the hand-tied cap by Jon Renau. You'll notice that it has a beautiful lace front. There's a seam that adjoins the single monofilament top, and then they have these really stretchy, comfortable hand-tied panels all the way around with the Velcro style adjusters. It is a very comfortable cap, and it does run average. Jon Renau's average wig size typically fits anywhere from like 21.5 to 22.5 inches. I'm 21.25, and I was able to get a nice secure fit on this cap. There's no permatease on this style, so you're going to see a lower profile until you get about halfway down, and that's when it breaks out into this barrel curl. It has a lot of buoyancy to it. There's very minimal layering all the way around, so you're getting a nice bountiful look. And I would say that this is an average to thick density. But again, it only weighs 5 ounces. So it does feel really light on the head. In fact, when you put your fingers through, it just feels like you're massaging directly on your scalp. So this color 12 FS8, you're going to see a combination of some gold blondes, some darker kind of a natural gold blonde, and then some light gold blonde, and perhaps even a little bit of an ash blonde in there as a highlight. Overall, this is neutral leaning warm, and it is rooted on a medium root. They've done this color so very well. And this is made from the HD fiber by Jon Renau, which is heat friendly. Within each one of the boxes, you'll find a wide tooth comb, and that is the suggested way of combing through your wig. Avoid a brush if you can, because that puts a lot of extra wear and tear on the fiber, or finger style it. This is right out of the box, and I just shook it out a little bit and applied it, and it kind of wanted to part right down the middle. However, because it is a full monofilament top, you can actually part it wherever is comfortable for you. So let's take a look at some of these lace features from the outside. So this has a temple to temple extended lace front. Each one of those fibers is very fine and silky, and you can definitely get the illusion of scalp all the way back through the crown. And even if the wind parts the hair from behind, you'll get the illusion of scalp because of those hand-tied panels. Everything about this wig, from its styling to its cap to its fibers, is very high quality, and I'm really impressed with this by Jon Renau. I'll go ahead and give you a full spin indoors, and I'll take you outdoor for an outdoor look. Everybody have a great day. Join us back here at the Wig Studio 1 YouTube channel for more wigs.